What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This video is about trailer safety. I was thinking about it the other day. I moved my work trailer, so I need a lock to lock the actual hitch. Never had one, kept it in the backyard behind the fence. Probably will still keep it in the backyard, but I figured let me get a lock when I'm on side jobs if I leave the trailer overnight. Reached out to a couple of people on YouTube just to get some heads up. Renovations and Repair, thanks for the response, and a few others. I did get one, it arrived. Renovations, I didn't go with the one you're thinking I went with. It was a little too pricey, bro, so I went with this one. Let's open it up. This one was about 125 bucks, and it had some good ratings. The other one was about 260, 270. I'm gonna try this one. Let's see how it works out. Let's see. All right, so we got another box in here, bro. All right, give me a minute to cut this open. All right, so here we go. This is it here. Now I'll tell you what, this thing is looking heavy duty. Renovations, take a look at this guy. I mean, this one's pretty solid. It looks like that one that you sent me a video, a recommendation of, but this one was $127. Comes with these keys here. You're actually gonna, underneath, obviously, take the key. Let's see if we can get it in here. Turn it, and the cylinder comes down. The cylinder comes down. What you're going to do is slide it into the hitch. You're going to lift up. You're going to turn the key and lock it in place. This thing weighs a good, I'd say 6 to 7 pounds. And if you look at some of the reviews, a guy had someone tried to cut into his a few times and never even came close. But this thing is heavy duty, bro. Definitely. What do we got here? It is called, if you want, take a picture of that and scan it. Or no, I got to register my lock with that, so don't even bother doing that. The AMPLOCK. Okay, AMPLOCK U-TLS2 2-inch boat. Okay, we're gonna go install this bad boy and see what it looks like. I like it though. You know, if you know me, you know I like gray. Right, stay tuned. Let's go check the trailer out. All right, well, here you go. Pretty basic. Like I said, you turn that key and the piston drops. You're gonna slide it right in. You're gonna lift up on the piston, and then you're going to turn the key. All right, well, thanks for watching. That's easy as that. What do we got to do now, Sonny? You under there, Sonny? Sonny!
We're over here looking for Sonny. If anyone knows where he is, can you tell me? Sonny? Sonny? You up there?